If you're seeing a red X on OneDrive, don't worry. That usually means OneDrive failed to sync a file or folder because of a file conflict, an invalid file name, a storage issue, or even a connection problem. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix OneDrive sync error red X step by step, quickly and safely. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Let's get started. First, you need to check which file or folder is actually causing the problem. Open your OneDrive folder in File Explorer and look for the file or folder with the red X icon. Sometimes it's obvious, but other times you may need to double-click into the folder to identify the exact item that isn't syncing. Once you find it, note the file name so you can troubleshoot the right one. Now let's fix one of the most common causes, a bad file name. Right-click the file with the red X and choose Rename. Look closely for special characters that OneDrive does not like, such as asterisk, colon, less than, greater than, question mark, forward slash, backslash, or vertical bar. If you see any of those symbols, remove them. Also, if the file name is extremely long, shorten it a little, then press Enter and give OneDrive a moment to sync again. In many cases, that alone will clear the red X. If the error is still there, the next thing to do is pause and resume syncing. Click the OneDrive Cloud icon in your taskbar, then click the gear icon for settings. Choose Pause Syncing and wait about 1 minute. After that, go back and click Resume Syncing. This simple refresh can clear temporary sync glitches and reconnect OneDrive properly. Next, check your OneDrive storage. Open your web browser and go to account.microsoft.com. Sign in with your Microsoft account, then open the storage section. Look carefully to see whether your OneDrive storage is full. If it is, OneDrive won't be able to upload new changes, which can trigger sync errors and red X marks. If needed, free up space by deleting unnecessary files or moving items elsewhere. If none of that works, the next step is to reset OneDrive. This can fix deeper syncing problems and force the app to start fresh. Press Windows +R on your keyboard to open the run box. Then type C, Program Files, Microsoft OneDrive, onedrive.exe/reset and press Enter. After running the reset, wait about 2 minutes. OneDrive may disappear briefly and then restart on its own, but if it doesn't, open OneDrive manually from the Start menu. Once OneDrive comes back, give it a little time to reconnect and resync your files. Check the folder again and see if the red X is gone. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the issue, especially renaming the file, refreshing the sync, checking storage, or resetting OneDrive. And that's how to fix OneDrive sync error red X, the easy way. If this guide helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more Windows and OneDrive troubleshooting videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.